Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can connect your Instagram to your Facebook account. So open your Facebook account and tap on the profile icon on the lower right. And then go to settings. And here when you scroll down until the end, under Meta is Account Center. So go to Account Center and just tap on Add Instagram Account. Tap Continue. And here are the things that Facebook want you to know before you finish setting up. So if you're done reading that, then just tap Yes, Finish Setup. And it will automatically just connect to your Instagram. There are instances where it actually asks for your username and for your password. So if you haven't already connected your Instagram account to your Facebook account before, then it would ask you to do that. So all you have to do is just input those information and you would be good to go. Now, when you post onto your Instagram account, then you would have the option to also post it to your Facebook account or to your Messenger. So that is how they will be connected. Well, guys, thank you for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.